Yes, scientists believe that somewhere beyond our solar system, in the silent depths of the cosmos, there could exist a world almost entirely covered in water. A mysterious ocean planet similar to what researchers speculate about exoplanets like Kepler 22b, discovered by NASA using the Kepler Space Telescope. And this is where our story begins. Far beyond the light of our sun, beyond Mars, beyond Pluto, and even beyond the frozen Oort cloud, a classified deep space probe sent by NASA drifted into a region of space darker than any night sky ever seen from Earth. The mission was simple: follow a strange gravitational signal detected by the James Webb Space Telescope. But what the probe found was not simple at all. It found a planet, unofficially named Aqua Silence. From space, the planet shimmered like a sapphire marble floating in endless black. No continents, no visible land, just water, endless water. Storm systems circled slowly like breathing giants, but there were no lightning flashes, no visible volcanic heat signatures, no artificial lights. It was beautiful and terrifying. When the probe entered orbit, something strange happened. Its audio sensors, designed to capture electromagnetic vibrations, recorded nothing. Absolute silence. Even cosmic background radiation seemed weaker here. The scientists back on Earth whispered that it was like the planet swallowed sound itself. Days later, a small landing capsule detached from the probe and descended through thick silver clouds. As it touched the surface, there was no splash. Instead, the capsule slowly sank into the ocean, as if the water was heavier than normal water, denser, darker, colder. Cameras showed waves moving slowly, unnaturally calm, like a sleeping creature's skin. Inside Mission Control, researchers noticed something impossible. The ocean's chemical composition wasn't like Earth's. It contained high concentrations of unknown organic compounds, not toxic, not radioactive, just unfamiliar. The capsule deployed floating sensors. Still no sound, no wind, no animal cries, no movement below the surface. Just an endless blue void stretching beyond the horizon in every direction. One scientist compared it to floating inside a dream where the world had forgotten how to make noise. Then, on day 12 of observation, the pressure sensors detected movement deep below, nearly 30 kilometers under the surface. Something massive shifted, not fast, not aggressive, just a slow, deliberate motion. The water above formed a gentle circular ripple, thousands of meters wide, but still, no sound. NASA analysts ran simulations. The energy displacement suggested something alive, something far larger than Earth's largest whale, larger than any known sea creature in history. Yet the cameras showed only darkness beneath the surface, as if light itself refused to travel deeper. The mission team debated sending a deep-diving drone. After weeks of preparation, they deployed it. The drone descended slowly, lights piercing the dark water. At 5 kilometers, visibility dropped. At 10 kilometers, the pressure nearly crushed the hull. At 18 kilometers, something extraordinary appeared. Faint bioluminescent patterns glowing in the distance, not random, organized, symmetrical, almost like symbols. The drone's AI attempted to map them. The shapes shifted, rearranged, and then disappeared. It was as if the ocean floor was communicating without sound. Suddenly, the drone's feed cut to static, but not violent static. Soft static, gentle, like a whisper without voice. When connection resumed for 3 seconds, the camera captured something enormous passing in front of the lens. A curved surface larger than a mountain, smooth and dark, reflecting the drone's light like black glass. No eyes visible, no mouth, just scale, immense scale. Then the signal ended permanently. Back on Earth, scientists reviewed the final data frame by frame. They realized the glowing patterns matched mathematical sequences, prime numbers, repeating constants, universal ratios. Whatever lived beneath Aqua Silence understood mathematics, and perhaps it understood the drone. But why no sound? Why no aggression? Why only silence? One theory emerged. On this planet, communication evolved beyond vibration. Instead of sound waves, life here used pressure fields and light pulses, a language of movement and glow, a civilization of oceans that never needed to scream. Months later, the orbiting probe began drifting off course, not from malfunction, but from gravitational interference originating beneath the planet's surface. The massive being, or beings, were shifting again, slowly, intentionally, as if aware of being watched. NASA made the difficult decision to end the mission. The probe transmitted one final panoramic image before engines fired to